So my profit margin is 35%. You do the mathematics. That leaves me with what's popping, people. It's your boy Garnet. Welcome back to another video. For all the new people coming, welcome. I'm an online reseller selling on Amazon and eBay, and you know, just trying to secure the bag. For all the people that have been watching me, I appreciate it so much, guys, man. Let's keep it going. Listen, this video, guys, I'm trying to get at least 30 likes. 30 likes, fam. Hit that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I've been hearing people say that so many times. You know, I had to say it. I had to say it. I'm not going to lie to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how much I made in 30 days selling on Amazon. My first 30 days. Crazy. It's been a long time. I'm not going to lie, fam. I'm looking back at it now. It's crazy, fam. Because I've been watching people doing it, and I just never took action, fam. So, guys, number one key advice, take action, fam. You know, just sitting around, waiting for the opportunity to come to you, it's not going to happen. It's very unlikely. So take action, fam. And boom. Here are the items. I'm going to go through them bit by bit. But let's just look at the date. So I released a YouTube video actually 7 months ago, doing a whole literally video about me actually showing the items to everyone on YouTube. And I literally did a whole video on what items I got, how much I got them for. And this is 7 months ago. It's actually on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link down in the description. There'll also be a screenshot here. But listen, it's been a long time, fam. So the date here is 15th of August 2020 till 15th of September 2020. So that's basically a month. And within a month, I sold in total 14 orders. So when I did start selling on Amazon, I never really knew about rankings and all of that. I kind of had a little understanding about it, but not really a big understanding in rankings. So I was just getting items, high rankings, you know what I'm saying? But then I was watching videos, and with me, I like to take action and still learn at the same time. So I was watching videos. I picked up items that were in 600 rank, a million rank. Literally, within 3 days, I learned about the rankings and everything. I returned the items, got my money back, and really stick to items that are below 150k minimum. Not minimum, maximum. I always get minimum, maximum confused. I know I shouldn't be getting them confused, but I get them confused. So these are the items. I'm going to go through them right now. And these are the items I sold on Amazon in my first 30 days selling on Amazon. So number one was a sports day game tug of war. You know that tug of war, you know, everyone. So the first item that I sold on Amazon, which was my first ever sale actually, fam. I was gassed. I was over the moon. Like, just to think like FBA fulfilled by Amazon. All I have to do is just package all my items up and just send it into the Amazon warehouse, and Amazon would take care of everything. Just blew my mind, fam. I was like, I have to try this. I have to try. So I tried it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I loved it. Like, I didn't put no work in, literally. I wasn't at uni, because I finished uni at that time. I was at work or something where, and I literally got the first sale. I was over the moon, fam. So this item here, tug of war, this item was actually on clearance. For OGs and been watching me 7 months ago, these Lego boxes, I picked them up for £4. Unbelievable, fam. I am not gonna lie to you, £4. And I sold it for £19, and I sold another one for £19. Then I sold a pink version for £19. Crazy. Like, the profit margin there was, I couldn't imagine it, fam. Like, I was making money while I was sleeping, fam. It's still every time I think about it, it's like, whoa, that's like, it's crazy, fam. The amount of money we can make from FBA. I'm saying we, because you guys, fam. I'm telling you, man, now, it's possible, fam. You just gotta put in the work. So this item was actually a very nice profit. Then these Sharpies, I got them for £2 each. So this one, £2, sold it for £6. I barely even made profit with that, but at least I got my money back. Then these Helix Oxford kits, when did I sell it? 6 months ago. So these Helix Oxford Clash, I was selling them August between September, right? And that's the time we're going back to school. Item number 5. Yes, item number 5. Helix Oxford Clash stationery kit. As I am showing you guys, I was saying this is what I sold in the month of August and September, and as we all know, we're going back to school. So I had to take the chance on it. Got this item for £5, sold it for £13 to 29p. Look what nice profits. Okay, yeah. This item here, the Lego lunchbox, guys, I was just talking about, the red one. Customer actually refunded it. I don't know why he refunded it, but it's all cool. You get what I'm saying? It happens. Sometimes customers don't want the item and they refund it. Like, I was totally new to Amazon and all I see is a refund. I'm thinking, oh no, like that's so bad. Like, where's the item gonna go now? Like, is Amazon gonna keep it forever? Like, I was stressed. I'm not gonna lie to you. When you start there, you're like, oh shoot, I got a refund. But Amazon takes care of the whole customer service side. So I kind of knew that. But so where's my item going? This, that. Then I contacted the Amazon seller people, and they told me, oh, don't worry, we're gonna put it back into your inventory so it'll be sellable again. If it's in a sellable condition, you get what I'm saying? I was still in a sellable condition. And another customer bought it, you know what I'm saying? So another customer was unhappy. Another customer bought it and it was happy. So another stationery kit. This lunchbox, nice profits. I am not gonna lie to you. £20 and I picked up for £4. And guys, I'm stupid as well. I am not gonna lie. These lunchboxes, I sold literally like 15 of them. All on clearance, £4. And I really didn't want to take my risk. You know, when you're starting out doing retail arbitrage, you don't want to take risk. And I didn't take risk. And I come back, literally when 2 sold, I went back, check if it was there. Nothing was there, nothing. Like, till today, I'm like, oh, I should have picked up all 15 of them. I could have made some nice profits. But it is what it is. Like the lunchbox and the stationery kit, I took, with the lunchbox and the stationery kit, I took my chances because I knew we're going back to school. So like, try to get items like that. So for example, like Christmas, try to get a lot of toys into Amazon. As you know, it will 100% sell. You know what I'm saying? So items like that, just look at the seasonality of everything, and you know, the start of the year, the end of the year. So yeah, definitely that, like that. Like right now, what's really hot is swimming. I can't even speak. Swimming pools, like the inflatable ones, like they're right now going for some nice money. I'm not gonna lie to you, because you know, summer's coming up soon. We're coming out of lockdown. I think around June. So if you see any inflatable swimming pools, they're gonna go up in price. No cap, fam. So that's what a lot of people do. A lot of people like to, so say for example in December, inflatable pools will be very cheap. You could buy literally a lot of them and then sell them in springtime, summertime, and you'll make your nice money still. Item number 4, I can't even speak. Item number 6, yeah, is a Tubbs Borderlands, which I got for £4 on clearance as well, $12.90, and I sold it for $12.98. Then I got this Paul Layman Yes and No game. I got this game for £8. I sold it for £15. Then another stationery kit and another stationery kit, and last but not least is the PJ Masks coloring doodle drawing tablet, which I got for £10 and sold it on Amazon $21.99. This item had a very high seller's rank, but I still bought it. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yeah, it'll definitely sell. It's toys, you get what I'm saying? So I kind of took a risk on that. But yeah, definitely, these are all 14 of the items that I sold within my first month. You're probably thinking, how much did it all total up to? This, that. I'm going to show you right now. Boom. This is how much I made selling on Amazon in my first 30 days. £215 at 23p. It's not a lot. I'm not going to lie to you. It's not a lot of money. You guys, you're probably thinking, that's not a lot. But for me, at that time, I was happy, and this showed me like, okay, now I just gotta put in more hours than I did before to make even more money. You know what I'm saying? So making £215 and 23p in a month, I was gassed. I was happy. Like this showed me like that this business is working, and if I just put in more hours, I'll get more money. Like that. So my mindset changed completely. This whole month, my mindset, like this whole month made me realize like the potential on Amazon. And you know, since then, you know, I haven't looked back. You know, your boy's been growing, and right now, you know, it's going very good for me, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, look, I'm really enjoying Amazon and the whole Fulfilled by Amazon, you know, business. I love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But you're probably thinking like, how much profit margin is he making? I'm gonna tell you right now. So my profit margin is 35%. You do the mathematics. That leaves me with £75 profit in my first month selling on Amazon. Like, when I saw this, I was like, oh my days, that is crazy. Like, from 14 items making £75. Like, I was over the moon. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not a lot of money, but like, for me at that time, it wasn't a lot of money. Obviously at the time I was working full time and everything, but like, it just shows you that there is another way of making money, and having extra incomes coming in is even better for you. £75 profit in my first month, crazy profits. I was so happy, and you know, all in my head I was like, okay, cool. Now I could have put in 5 times the work I did in month 1 for my second month. You know what I'm saying? And just keep up and up and up and up, and every day I was just making sure that I'm doing better than I did yesterday. But in my head I need to do better than I did last month. So every month I've been growing. I'm not gonna lie to you, every month the money just has been going up, the profits been going up. Now, before Amazon, I've been selling on eBay already, so I was already making some nice money from eBay. And now Amazon came in the equation, you get what I'm saying? So now I got Amazon, eBay, and I got Facebook Marketplace at the same time. So the money is very nice at the moment, you get what I'm saying? And that is a great way of just nice income coming in, side income coming in on top of my full-time job. So I'm happy, fam. I showed you guys how much I made in 30 days, first time ever selling on Amazon, and I was happy. I'm happy. It might not be a lot, £75 extra a month. It's like a phone contract. Alright, cool. It's like maybe 2 phone contracts, or like internet broadband, or like going out with your friends. Like, this is just some extra money on the side that you literally only put in 4 hours. So Amazon FBA, definitely business model you guys should be going into. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy me showing you how much I made in my first 30 days selling on Amazon, and hopefully, you know, you could do that. You could copy what I did, but buy more items and even make more than me I made. You know what I'm saying? So I've seen people do it. People are making some crazy numbers. Like, there's some people I've been helping on Instagram. They actually messaged me, and I help people. I love to help people 110%, but I'm not gonna lie, I have a lot of people now asking me for help and questions and everything, but obviously one question will lead to another question. So I got so many DMs. I am not gonna lie to you, I got probably like above 110 DMs, fam. Like, it's crazy. And I'm trying to get to everyone, you get what I'm saying? I'm trying to help everyone. I helped a couple people already, and they actually made more than me what I made in my first month. So I guess, you know, maybe my content is giving them a little bit of value, so they can, you know, take that and use, you know, their own initiative and, you know, just do their thing. And I'm happy for all of those people there. Keep grinding, you get what I'm saying, guys, man. 2021 is gonna be our year, because why? We gotta secure the bag. But guys, listen, I appreciate all of you watching. It's been your boy Gani, and I'm out.